How to clean stainless steel refrigerator. What can I use to clean my stainless steel refrigerator? What is the best way to clean stainless steel refrigerator doors? How can I clean my stainless steel fridge look new again? If these are your questions, let's start right now. So before I make this video, I did few researches myself because I can see how hard it is to keep my stainless refrigerator clean all the time. Through the research, I found so many things that people do to clean their stainless steel refrigerator. The best one that I have found that has resonated with me is to use stainless steel wipes. People use oil, people use vinegar and water. I've seen people use olive oil, water to clean their stainless steel refrigerator, but then you can see that it doesn't make it clean. What I have found that has worked is the wipes. That's what I'm going to use in this video to show you that this really works, and this is the first time that I am using this for my own stainless steel, and we're gonna see after using this to see if it actually really works. I want to try it myself and make sure that it really works. The stainless steel wipes, they have the spray, they also have the liquid, but I'm just gonna use this to see how this works first. So let's start right now. This is brand new. All you do is you just poke it, and then once you poke this, you should be able to bring the end, this tip here, and then you just put it through there, come out, as you can see. So now that we've opened this, and we're gonna take a little, I'm going to take at least 1, 2, 3, and then we take that, and then we are going to close this. You always want to air tight so it doesn't dry out. And see, before we even start, you can see the stains that I have. You see all these stains here? You can see all that. That's all stains from the dispenser. It doesn't go out. I try to clean it off. It's all like that. You can see all that here. So we're gonna see if this is actually works. So before we start cleaning our stainless steel refrigerator door to make it shining, to make it neat, one trick that I'm going to use to make sure that I have every spot out and there will not be any spot is I'm going to use liquid dish soap with a little water with sponge. I'm going to clean the whole fridge first to take all the stains, all the drips on there first, and make sure that all those dingy things is gone before we use the wipes on it, and then that will just shine everything up. So let's start doing that first. So just a little water, soapy water like that with my sponge, and I'm going to go over that first. I'm just gonna go over this first. And then always follow the grain whenever you are cleaning your stainless steel refrigerator. Follow the grains, and that helps as well. You can see all these white spots that is all showing. If you come down here, you can see all these. This is something that is like a stain from the streams. So it's best to clean this first. And then you can see it's coming right off. See how it's taking the edge of the stain? So do that first. Okay. And you can see that the white spot is not that visible anymore by using this little trick before using the wipes. That will take everything off. Now you can see that all the white spots that we saw before has reduced down really good. Really reduced down. See that? Actually, it's gone. Look at all that. It's actually gone. And now when we use the wipes, everything will just be clean and neat. You see that? All is gone. Do the same thing on this side. Alright, we just use the, you see, all that is wiped off. Okay, now we are going to use the wipe. Look at how much dirt that is on our stainless refrigerator door. How much stain it is. So now when we use the wipe, it should take everything else off that we didn't before. So you're going to take 3 or 4 wipes, and we're going to start wiping. You follow the grains. You always have to because that helps. So we're just gonna go over this. I'm going vertically because that's what my grain goes. It goes vertically. Some goes horizontal. Oh my goodness. Look at that. That is terrible. And we do the handles as well. Do all that. The handles. And just look. That is filthy. Look at that. So just get a new towel. This is clean, and then I'm just gonna go cleaning down. All the spot is gone now. What we were doing earlier, it's all gone. And then look at that. And go over it. Got a new towel. And just do the last side. Look at that filled. Let's turn the other side and go over it again. Now everything should be good. Wow. Also, you want to clean your dispenser as well. So I'm going to take this out and we're just going to give this a quick wash, and then we're going to use the wipe to wipe all this off as well. So just give this a quick wash here. A quick clean. Now this is clean now. We can use the wipes. It'll make it much better. I'm just gonna wipe this. Okay. So we are just going to go clean the dispenser as well. Alright, and once this is done, give it all clean. Look at that also. Nice. So I'm going to clean the cover. So that will also be clean for us. Clean the cover as well. And this will also be brightened. Nice. Alright. See that? All of that is clean now. The top here all is wiped down. You also want to wipe the edges as well. Then look at that. See the felt? The same thing, you wipe the other side as well. So now that we wipe our stainless refrigerator down with our Wayman stainless steel wipes, we are going to wipe it down because it was wet and everything from the wipes. Now we just want to use a microfiber duster like this, quick dry one, no wet like that, or you can use cotton napkin, anything you have that is a cotton, but just be careful, if not there's going to be lint. You don't want to use something that makes lint, right? So you can use something like this, a cotton, or you can use a microfiber duster or microfiber towel, and dry one, clean one. You can really see that it really works. Look at that. So we are just going to go over this and just wipe that down. Just follow the grains. Look at how shiny this is looking. Goodness. much better. Everything is spotless now. Look at that. Do the handles also and do this side as well. Look at how shining this is looking. Oh my world, look at that. This is all shining clean. Just wipe all this down. Oh, that is clean, neat. Oh my goodness, I love this. So exciting to know that my stainless fridge can now look amazing. Oh, wipe all down. Oh my goodness, this is amazing. It's all done. We wipe the sides as well. Wipe all the sides and wipe this as well. Also try to clean the top of it, and that's what we are going to do. Just a quick one. Just wipe it off. Just take a few seconds, then you know you have everything clean. Good. Got it filled. Edges. Alright, we have everything clean here now, and this should be good. Now you know you have everything clean. Alright, look at that. Doesn't take much at all. Few seconds, and this, you don't have to think about this. When am I going to clean the top of my refrigerator? Now it's all wiped down neatly. Now it looks neat, all clean. Got all this all clean and done. Hello friends, so we just finished cleaning our stainless steel refrigerator with a stainless steel wipes, Wayman wipes, and this is amazing. It's phenomenal. If you are having issue, look at this. Look at what we did. You see how this was from the beginning all the way down. It's, you can see that it is all spotless. This is all clean. It's shiny now. You can see it's shining. Look at that. And so this really works. The Wayman stainless steel wipes really work. That is the only thing I'll be using to clean my stainless steel refrigerator now. The first time I've used it, and I love it, and I'm sure you will love this too if you're having issue with how to keep your stainless refrigerator door clean, spotless, out of all these string drops, sticky, and also dotted water drops on your fridge. This is the wipes you need. And also don't use any abrasive, harsh liquid things on it. You can use dish soap water to wipe it off. That's what we did first, and it takes a lot of dirt off, a lot of those water drops, stains. It takes them off first before we use the wipes, so that really helps as well. There you have it. My name is Florence at florencestraka.com. Homemaking made simple for modern women. If you are looking for how to clean inside of microwave, watch the next video and I will see you on there. Take care. Bye.